Hi everyone, my name is Krishnanjali and welcome back to my channel German with Krishna. Today we are going to learn about conjugations with ich and the German verbs. So let's begin. But before we start with this topic, I want to tell you in today's video I have some questions for you. So whatever I am going to tell you, please pay attention to that. Please pay attention to the spellings that you'll see on the screen, and also to the pronunciation. And if possible, please repeat the pronunciation after me, because once if you repeat the pronunciation, then you will be able to speak proper German. So let's begin. So our first verb is lesen, which means to read. Lesen, which means to read. L-E-S-E-N, lesen. Then we have Fernsehen. Fernsehen. F-E-R-N-S-A-H-E-N. Fernsehen. Then we have Spielen. S-P-I-E-L-E-N, which means to play. Spielen is to play. Fernsehen is to watch television. Lesen is to read. Now I want you to match the words with the picture, with the correct picture. Please do it quickly. Okay, let's move ahead. I hope that wasn't very difficult. Yeah, these are very simple exercises which I have put in between. Okay, now what you need to do is you have to complete the spellings that you just saw. So it's a memory check. So what will come in the first spelling? That is L-E-S-E-N. That's lesen. L-A-S-A-N. I'm pronouncing it right now in German, which means to read. Now, in the second one, we have Fernsehen, which is F-A-N-S-A-H-A-N. Fernsehen. That was the German pronunciation. To watch television. This means to watch television. Then we have Spielen. S-P-E-A-L-A-N. Spielen is to play. Let's move ahead, guys. Now, how do we conjugate the verb? Suppose I want to say that I am playing. Now, how would I conjugate the verb? So you see this lesen, L-E-S-E-N. What we do is, one thing you might be observing in all the three verbs here, that en is common at the end, right? This en is common at the end. So what we do is, when I conjugate this verb with ich, first person, then I remove this en part from the back, and then I just put one e. Okay, so the next verb is arbeiten. Arbeiten. A, R, B, E, I, T, E, N. Arbeiten, which means to work. So you can see in the pictures. Now you don't have to match anything. These are just two verbs. Okay. So let's move ahead. Now, please fill up the spellings. If you want, you can pause the video, go back, and then see what the correct spelling is. Okay, so that is kochen and arbeiten. Let's move ahead. Ich koche. So as I told you, this E is pronounced as a in the end. So this is ich koche. I am cooking. Ich arbeite. I am working. Please repeat the pronunciation after me. Ich koche. Ich arbeite. Then we have einkaufen. Einkaufen is to shop. Okay? Einkaufen is to shop. Anrufen. Anrufen is to call. Anrufen is to call. Call on telephone. A telephonic call. So this is anrufen. To call somebody on telephone. Please fill it up. First one is einkaufen. And the second one is anrufen. And I would suggest at this point, since you have already done the pronunciation part and the sounds of German language, I would recommend at this point that you hear my pronunciation and then you fill it up, then you fill the spelling. So by hearing the pronunciation, try to fill up the spelling, even if you don't remember it. First one is einkaufen. And the second one is anrufen.